All right, I've been through a lot of these little two-way splitters for your garden hose. Check this out. Cracked, broken, plastic, copper. I can't figure it out until I got this one. So this is the old one. It boasted like this, fancy brass. It's supposed to be all durable and whatnot. It had plastic handles, but whatever. It's still a brass piece, right? And, this was an upgrade from the traditional plastic one. And this is what happened when you crank that. There's actually a little leak that's occurring. It actually split like the welded part of the brass. And okay, I get that there's pressure, but there can't be that much pressure, right? Telling me that this piece is probably not very sturdily made. So we're going to get this switched out here, and I'm going to put on a new one that I highly recommend. So we're going to make sure the water is off and that the hoses are drained. We've got my DIY Rainbird sprinkler system to the right there, and then the regular garden hose to the left. So we'll get all that unhooked, and then we can take off the old piece. You can see I have tape here, and I tried plugging it with some plumber's putty. That definitely didn't work. So it's just time to move on and replace this thing, like I said. So we're going to get that out of there. There's another look at the default crack. So if you buy a new one, check the welding on that inner part there, and really all parts, right, to make sure that the welding is indeed strong and you want it to have good reviews. I'll put a link down in the description below for the piece that I like. Very happy with this. It is all brass. It doesn't have those plastic pieces. They've got ball joints on the inside, like I think most of them do, and metal handles, not plastic turn-off handles there. So we'll go ahead and get that plugged in, or screwed on, I should say. And I'm not using any tape on this. We're going to see how it holds without tape. It does have a rubber gasket on the inside. That is nice to see. And we'll get the sprinkler system on the right there hooked back up. Again, sans tape, or sans plumber's, or the pipe dope, I should say. Okay, we'll speed that up, get that back on, and just look how nice and beautiful that looks, right? Brand new. And we're hand tightening everything. And then we'll go ahead and turn the spigot. And we're dry there. That's really nice. No tape needed. And no tools needed either. I just tightened that by hand. And I love these little turn-off valves. They glide really easily. Very nice, very high quality feel to them. And the weld is a little stronger. It not only looks stronger, but like I said, it's held up. So this to me is a win, and it's only like $5 or something like that. So